Okay, it's the end of class and it's time to clean up your painting. Here's how you're going to do it. First things first, you need to stop painting. Go ahead and take any extra brushes you may have been using and return those to the water cup. Then, I will call your table over to the drying rack. We want to get this painting off the table before somebody ruins it. Okay, in the drying rack, you come up, walk over here with your painting, carrying it flat, and you'll place it on the drying rack for drying. Return to your table.
I've got it!
Once you get back, you'll notice you still have a mess to clean. Go ahead and close your paint tray if it's not already closed. That'll keep anybody from using it. Use your paper towel to kind of wipe up any messes that may be on the table. Then, take this paper towel and throw it away. Go back to your desk. You'll need to return this to the countertop and most likely perform the swish and swirl cleaning method. See the video for swish and swirl cleaning method. That is it. You go back and sit down. We'll collect these trays in the center. Remember, when you do carry these, they need to be flat so they don't tip and drip. We don't want that to happen. Go ahead and return your paint tray to the table and then return yourself to your seat. If your chair is clean, your table is clean, then you're in lineup mode 1 and you can sit here quietly and wait your turn to line up.